have with me today Emmy. Emmy was here a couple weeks ago, I think, at the Puppy Palace, and we brought her back today to demo some of the behaviors that are taught here at the Puppy Palace. Okay, so for Emmy's mom, we're going to go over the 5 major cues. We've done this a lot, right? Right, Emmy? We did this a lot here, so you're going to remember this. And I've done a lot of videos demonstrating these 5 cues, but it doesn't hurt to watch another dog perform them. Here, we want to wait here. We want to wait till she gets to my side. Thank you, mark, and reinforce. You're so cute and adorable. And she is really smart. She's quite brilliant, I would say. I was just giving her a hard time. Okay, we're going to practice the stay. Remember, you want to step up on your right foot. Stay. And then just walk around. And then go back. And now we're going to do the stay and then the recall. Okay, we got a pretty awesome stay there. Wow, that is a really good stay. Thank you. Let's go back to this side. I'm going to release her from this stay. Oops, stay. And then toss it the treat to the side. There we go. Awesome. Good job. Recall here. And we want to wait till she comes to our side. Thank you. There we go. Awesome. So I think her recall, her here is really good. Here. Oops. There we go. Here we go. There we go. And then we're going to heel here. Good job. Here. A little faster. A little faster. This way. This way. Oh, the little tiny legs. Here. Touch. Here. Good. Sit and stay. Thank you. And reinforce that tiny little treat. Emmy, can you settle for me? Settle. Thank you. That's so adorable. That is so cute. That is like the cutest thing ever. Thank you. Thank you. Did you see that? We're going to do that again because it was so cute. Okay, come here. Here. Oops, here. Oops. I'm going to wait till she gets to my side. And then I'm going to spin around because that's kind of cute too. And then over here. Thank you. Okay, we're going to try this again. Okay, settle. Thank you. And isn't that the most adorable thing ever? That is so cute. That is so cute. You are so cute. Can I pet you? Yes. And then we're going to discuss one more thing. Anyone home that has small dogs, I always encourage you to invite your dog to sit on your lap off. So what we do here is going to call her to me and then sit, stay, good, and then invite her up. And here, up. Up. Come on, up. Up. Thank you. Up. Voila. Yes. And then we can say, oh my gosh, that was just a trick to get her to cuddle because she's so cute. Yes, you did the right ears. And then the same thing when you want her down, you just say off. Okay, off, and let her know. Prepare her for that. Just don't drop her down and make her off the ground. So again, you want to ask your dog to sit first. Sit. Oops. Sit. Oops. Thank you. And then you sit. And then cue up. Here. Up. You're silly. Up. Thank you. And then you can put her on your lap. We never, ever, 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 ever want to grab our dog. That's the surest way to lose their trust. Practice luring your dog to you with a high-value reinforcer. Grab one. And here. And when she gets close, give her the treat and just practice touching your dog first. And then touching with both hands like that, right? If she doesn't jet off, she or he doesn't jet off, then you can practice picking her up. And then as soon as you pick your dog up, then you reinforce again to let her know that, oh, good things happened. And it feels good when I'm held, right? So we never, ever, ever want to grab at our dog. Again, the reason why this is so very important is because One day you're going to need your dog to be picked up for whatever reason, and you want your dog to be exactly like this and allowing you to pick him or her up instead of bending down to pick up your dog and then running off even further away. So that's a really important one. When you're practicing stay, stay, and when you want her to move again, you say free and then toss a treat. Stay, as I've said a million times before, is stillness. We want our dogs to be still. And if we don't tell them when they can move again, they're going to decide on their own, and trust me, it's not going to be anywhere as long as you want it to be. So stay, do a little dance. If your dog breaks the stay, say oops and go back to that spot. She's doing awesome. And then when you're done, free, toss the treat to the side, and that will promote movement. That will let her know that I can move again. Yay! So when you're working with your dog at home, as you probably have noticed on my videos, I never lift my feet off the ground. I was going like that. So if you have a little puppy at home or a little dog, it's really important that you don't be lifting your feet off the ground. If, God forbid, you accidentally step on your puppy, hopefully that will never happen. I've never stepped on a puppy because I never lift my feet. But at home, or if someone's clumsy, a guest or something, and they accidentally trip or step on your dog, assuming everything is fine and no vet visit is needed, make sure that you reinforce. So bad thing happens, you want to reinforce with treats to make them forget about that bad thing. I call it amnesia dust. It's like, oh no, that bull dropped right in front of you and it startled you. Don't worry, amnesia dust, let's forget all about it. Yes. Oh, look at that face. So cute. Okay, can I pick you up? Okay, thank you. Now you're going to help me wave goodbye to everybody. I'll give you a treat for letting me pick you up. Here.